How to repair and stop rust in a car floor pan. If you found rust in your floor pan, you're at a decision point. Ignore it and it spreads, or fix it correctly and permanently stop it. In this video, we'll show you the best way to repair floor pan rust damage and permanently stop and prevent future rust, whether you're maintaining a daily driver or restoring a classic vehicle. We'll cover when metal repair is required, how to repair holes, and how to properly clean, treat, and seal the metal using the KBS 3-step system of KBS Klean, Rust Blast, and Rust Seal. To start, determine if holes or weak metal need to be repaired. If so, perform repairs before beginning the prep and sealing procedure. Here's a simple breakdown. If there's just surface rust, no repair is needed. Simply clean, treat, and coat. Is there heavy pitting but otherwise the metal is solid? There's still no welding required, only prep and sealing are needed. Are there holes or is the metal soft? If so, repair is required before coating. Repairs may be made with fiberglass mesh, epoxy putty, or by welding in a metal patch. Here's how to determine what to use. For pinholes, use fiberglass mesh or epoxy putty. For holes larger than pinholes and up to a ½ inch, use epoxy putty. For holes that are 1/2 to 1 inch, use a combination of fiberglass mesh and epoxy putty. For holes 1 to 3 inches, use a combination of fiberglass mesh and epoxy putty in multiple layers. For holes over 3 inches, welding a metal patch is strongly recommended. Keep in mind, if the area requiring repair is highly structural, like floor supports and seat mounts, always repair with a metal patch. Of note, KBS offers both backbone reinforcing mesh and new metal epoxy putty for these types of repairs. Product details and instructions for both can be found on the KBS website. Now let's talk about the process to stop and prevent rust. Step 1. Clean thoroughly using KBS Klean, a concentrated cleaner that removes oil, dirt, and contaminants without leaving residue that could hurt adhesion. Mix clean with warm water at a 1:5 ratio. Scrub thoroughly with a sponge or scrub brush, rinse with water, and dry completely. Detailed instructions for KBS Klean can be found on the KBS website. Step 2. Remove loose flaking rust and old coatings with a wire wheel, 60 to 80 grit sandpaper, or by sandblasting. Note, solid metal must remain. If there's light rust, that's fine. We'll treat that with Rust Blast. Step 3. Clean again with KBS Klean, rinse with water, and dry completely. Step 4. Treat with Rust Blast, which neutralizes any remaining rust and etches the surface for the strongest bonding of rust seal. Spray on Rust Blast and keep wet for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on the rust. Scrub intermittently with a Scotch-Brite pad. After treatment, rinse and dry completely. Use compressed air if necessary to ensure seams and weld joints are moisture-free. A whitish zinc phosphate residue will remain. This is beneficial and prevents flash rust, so don't remove it. Detailed instructions for Rust Blast can be found on the KBS website. Step 5. Seal the floorboard with Rust Seal, a 1K moisture-cured urethane rust-preventive coating that dries to a rock-hard yet flexible finish that won't chip or peel and can be applied directly to rusted, treated, or bare metal. Available in 11 colors, Rust Seal can be used alone or as a base for additional coatings or finishes. Choose brushing, rolling, or spraying and apply when the temperature is between 55 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid high humidity. Stir thoroughly from top to bottom. Apply 3 thin, even coats, allowing 2 to 6 hours of dry time between each coat, and be sure to apply additional coats within 8 hours. Allow 7 days for Rust Seal to fully cure before reinstalling carpet or insulation or otherwise putting the floorboard into service. Detailed instructions for Rust Seal can be found on the KBS website. If Rust Seal will see repeated or prolonged exposure to direct sunlight, it's recommended to top coat it with an opaque paint, as UV light can alter its color and sheen over time. However, Rust Seal's rust protection remains fully effective. Recommended top coats include KBS Blacktop and KBS Top Coater. Before applying the top coat, scuff Rust Seal with 320 grit sandpaper or dust with KBS Fusion self-etching primer to provide grip for the top coat. So there you have the proper procedure for repairing and stopping floor pan rust. Remember, Shortcuts lead to repeat repairs, but by using a structured system like KBS Klean, Rust Blast, and Rust Seal, it ensures the repairs aren't temporary. Fix it once, fix it right. KBS Coating products are proudly made in the USA.